Hey everybody, welcome to my physics demonstration. In today's demo, I will be showing the circular motion that occurs in a drone. So, what we'll need is a drone and a remote to control it. Ideally, you want to be outside or in an open area to avoid damaging anything if you crash. I slowly increase the throttle on the remote, which controls the rotors as they begin to spin, moving each propeller wing in a circular motion. The rotor is also responsible for changing the direction of the propellers, directing their movement towards the center. And due to the shape of the propeller, the air is pushed downwards as it spins, creating lift. When the lift force provided by all the propellers is stronger than the force of gravity on the whole drone, it will begin to move upwards. The opposite can be said about its descent. When the lift is less than the force of gravity, the drone will begin to move downwards. The propellers will initially accelerate from rest, meaning the circular motion is non-uniform. But once the drone begins to hover in place, this means that propellers have now reached a constant rotational speed, so the circular motion is uniform. When the drone is moving around, the rotors have different frequencies of rotation, which is why it sometimes tilts to one side. This is because the lift forces on each side of the drone are also unbalanced. That's it for my demonstration. Thank you all for watching.